Hi all, just wanted to show you how to make your own lettuce saver, sometimes called a produce saver. It's a cotton bag, a 100% cotton bag that you put in the fridge to keep your lettuce and other produce fresh. It's compared to something that I saw at Lehman's. If you know what that is, I'll link it below so you can see, how much they charge for that and what they use it for. Hopefully you can make one of these for yourself and save yourself some money and save your produce from going bad too early. That's the brand. And the color is called Citrus. And it's a number 4 kitchen cotton. I made 2 chicken foot solid granny squares, and I will link that video below and teach you how to make this. I did this one in a cream color and the citrus, and then on the other side I had a little bit of plain orange left over, so I used that as well. So it's a piece that is going to be a working part of my kitchen. It's not necessarily supposed to be 100% pretty, but I think it looks pretty as it is, using up the scraps. The thing I'm going to do right now is the edge. I'm going to put a slip knot on my hook and then start crocheting around the perimeter to put it together. So there, I just did a slip stitch. I'm going to take my marker off, and I have it on the wrong side. I'm going to go down this length, just doing a little zigzag seam. I really like the zigzag seam. I've just been doing it on all my granny stitches, granny squares. And it's just a zigzag slip stitch. And you go under the whole stitch. And this is the corner, so I'm going under, actually in the space. Do you see that space? But yeah, I'm going to do this all the way around except for the last side. I'll do this until I get to the last side. So I will meet you back. So there's spaces on these corners of the granny square, chicken foot granny square. And I just go right into those. And then go into the top. And then here's the other one, the top of the triple crochet. And then into the space. And then we go into the top of the stitch. So keep going until you reach the third side. You want to seal in all 3 sides and leave the top open. Go ahead and pause the video and I'll meet you back when you're done. Okay, so I've covered the 3 sides of the bag. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a standing stacked single crochet and I'm going to do 3 of them this time instead of just 2. I'm going to do a triple crochet all around the last open end. You see that? Just go all the way around the bag. So you come to the end and you just skip over the stitches there. Go into the top of the stacked single crochets and just I do a couple of chains. Now I will hide my ends and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to take one side, one of the ends, and I'm going to put the ribbon in. And if you have any trouble threading it, you can use a hook to just, kind of help pull it through, like that. I was trying to do it through the last row of double crochets, but this ribbon is just a little too wide. So just go ahead and do that all the way around until you get to the end. Okay, so I finished threading the ribbon through the opening. Now I'm going to take a button. I don't have a button that matches, but this will do. Hook this other one through. Okay, now I'm going to stretch it so that it's as wide as it can get, and then I'm going to tie a knot on the end here. There. So now I just slide along the button when I want to close it. And there it is. So I hope you enjoyed making this produce saver. The bag hopefully will keep your lettuce and other produce fresh in your refrigerator. I hope you give it a try soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.